Meaning of impoverish.
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 Impoverish. The word impoverish means to make someone or something poor or deprived of resources, especially those necessary for a comfortable life. It often refers to economic impoverishment, but can also refer to other forms of deprivation such as cultural or intellectual impoverishment. When something is impoverished, it lacks vitality, diversity, or richness. The result of impoverishment can be devastating, leading to hunger, illness, and social inequality. It can also stifle creativity and limit the potential of individuals and communities. Ultimately, impoverishment is a state of lack that prevents people from thriving and reaching their full potential.